Hello friends, my name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. These videos are meant for society's benefit and today's title is 1,50,000 crore worth sale by FIIs. What will be the fate of our markets? Recently in our chat box there was a question. Sir, if FIIs keep selling, what will be the future of Indian stock markets? In 2008, when there was a global financial crisis, FIIs and related investors held almost 80 to 90% of the Indian stocks. When FIIs sold heavily due to the US recession and subprime crisis, Indian markets fell by 60% in just 10 months. However, so far in 2022, FIIs have sold shares worth rupees 1.5 lakh crores. In spite of this, Nifty has fallen by only 6% since 1st January 2022. This is because our markets are not totally dependent on FIIs like 10 to 15 years back. Now, domestic institutions and retail investors have also become important. Also, FIIs don't continuously sell for years together. When they feel that the situation is favorable, once again they will come and invest huge amounts in Indian stock markets. One more thing to note, in the last 1.5 years, more than 4 lakh new Demat accounts have come into picture and large number of people who are youngsters have got into the market with lot of disposable money. If you look at the age group, in this maximum number are in the age group of 25 to 35 years, and they are the people now in retail taking the stock market stocks on a high. Now I am answering many other questions which are very important and are in our chat box. The second question is it good to invest in chemical sector between alkylamines or Deepak nitrite? Which is good? In fact, this homework has to be done by the person who has asked the question, because today you will ask this question, tomorrow you will ask another question. There is no end for it. If you want to learn about stock market, that is the right thing to do. And if I give you fish, you will come back tomorrow. On the contrary, if I teach you fishing, you will never come back to me. Similarly, the right thing to do is to learn about the stock markets by using various websites. However, in order to not to disappoint you, we are replying your question. Now comparing Deepak nitrite and alkyl amines, and I will give you the data. The final choice is vested with you. Market cap Deepak nitrite 26,799 crore, alkylamines 14,227 crores, 52 weeks high Deepak nitrite 3,020, alkylamines 4,749, 52 weeks low Deepak nitrite 1,710, alkylamines 2,732. Current price Deepak nitrite 1965, alkylamines 2786. 1 year returns Deepak nitrite 12%, alkyl amines minus 23%. 5-year returns Deepak nitrite 69% per annum CAGR, alkyl amines 77%. 10 years returns 62% per annum is Deepak nitrite, alkyl amines 64% per annum. Now the other parameters. 5-year profit growth Deepak nitrite 87% per annum, alkyl amines 35% per annum. 5-year sales growth 38% per annum, alkyl amines 25% per annum. Debt to equity ratio Deepak nitrite 0.09, alkyl amines 0.02. Any figure like this is perfectly okay. And return on equity 5 years Deepak nitrite 34%, alkyl amines 33%. Now you got to take your own decision. The idea of putting these slides in front of you is because in the future you get a confusion. You got to do the same study by using the websites, and it could be moneycontrol.com, investing.com, or it could be screener.in. The next question, September 21 batch student, 6% loss, monthly SCP 30,000, Asian Paints, Pidilite, Titan, Infi, Reliance, DMart, Relaxo, Tata Elxsi, IEX, Happiest Minds have combination of large, mid and small cap. Any suggestion? Comment. First of all, somebody was taken Dr. Bharath Chandra's workshop, and you know how to do fundamental analysis, and you also know how to monitor once in 3 months. There is no need to ask any question but to show other people how intelligently you have selected the stocks. We are giving an example. All the above stocks are perfectly alright. Your 6% loss is nothing because you are a long-term investor, and every time the stocks prices will come down, keep on buying more and get the average down. You are doing a good job. Please continue. The next question, Harish N, age 30. Since the last 6 months, I am doing SCP in Tata Motors, Tata Power, Titan, Infosys, Tata Steel. 9% loss currently. Shall I continue? Now I know Harish has not taken our workshop because he has been doing SCP in only few stocks. Very dangerous because you need to have in your portfolio minimum 6 to 10 stocks. Better towards 8 or 10 rather than 6. And 9% loss, and you are talking about shall I continue? That means you do not have the faith in the long story of stock markets and the profits. Plus, if I see Tata Motors are under loss perennially, Tata Power is so-so, Titan is excellent, Infosys wonderful, Tata Steel is a cyclical stock. Few years it will continuously go up, few years it will come down. So my suggestion is you may have to review your portfolio. My suggestion, please take our workshop seriously. 30 hours of training and a lot of follow-up will do a lot good for you in selecting good stocks. Next question is, Sir, age 30. I am watching your videos daily. Have started long-term investment in HDFC Bank, Wipro, Marico, IEX, Titan, Asian Paints, Tatva. How is my portfolio? I am deliberately reading many other questions of the similar kind. Next question. Hi sir, Namaste. November 2021 batch. In my portfolio, I have the following shares: Asian Paint, HDFC Bank, Infosys, Titan, Reliance, BSC, Adani Wilmar. Can I continue? Adani Wilmar, we had made a separate video. We have not told anything good about it. BSC is a small share, and then rest of them are perfectly alright. You have taken our workshop. We have given a model portfolio. Probably you have forgotten it, and probably you need to revisit the notes you have made. Again, one more question. Namaste sir. After watching your videos, I started SCP in the following: RIL, L&T, Titan, HDFC Bank, Tata Motors, Memphis, Infosys. Is it correct? Again, let me tell you, the person in question has not taken Dr. Bharath Chandra's workshop. I can see a lot of mistakes. For example, you cannot buy Memphis and Infosys together because they come from the same sector. Any problem in IT industry, both of them will suffer equally. And then you got to diversify. At the cost of repeating, let me tell you, you got to select 6 to 10 stocks from 6 to 10 sectors, not one sector. the purpose of reading many of these questions where people have asked me whether this is the right kind of portfolio. Shall I buy? Shall I exit? Or shall I continue? That means there is no end to such questions. If I look at the chat box, probably 50 to 60% are similar questions. As long as you don't study about the stock market, you don't take your own decision, you are looking for somebody else's endorsement while buying and selling, that means you are not an independent investor. You will be always dependent on somebody, and then you are likely to make more losses than somebody who takes his own decisions based on fundamental analysis. Again, let me repeat, kindly don't ask such questions in the future. You can only ask what kind of stocks to select, and then we will tell you the criteria of buying the stocks rather than this particular stock or that particular stock. The next question is also very interesting. That is why I am taking it up today. Question is, sir, I want to learn about stock market, what to do, how to join your class. I cannot come to Bangalore. Any online option? Whoever has written this must understand that already the whole world has gone online now, and our YouTube videos are online. You are replying on online, and our classes and the workshops are also online. You are asked a question, how to join Dr. Bharat Chandra's class. Now let me give you details. You cannot join our workshops directly. You got to attend a free introductory webinar, and that is going to happen on 22nd May, Sunday, 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. It's an online webinar. You can attend via mobile or laptop. And to get the link, you've got to send us an email, successdigest@gmail.com, name, mobile number, and in the subject column, you got to compulsorily write Kannada webinar. Remember, presently the workshops are going on in Kannada. And once you listen to the introductory webinar, you decide the course is good, then you can join the paid workshop. But whoever has joined our workshop, they repent that they should have taken this workshop at least 10 to 15 years earlier. Friends, if you are not the member of Stock Market Academy, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send this video to all your friends as a service to society. Finally, the video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching the whole video. Bye bye. All the best.